Hi, I'm Sasha Suda, director of the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Welcome to the PMA. The steps and the columns are so iconic Philadelphia. I just love them. And Rocky, of course. But we also love the new North Entrance, part of the recently completed core project designed by the amazing Frank Gehry. It's a whole new PMA. You must come see it. It's the Philadelphia Museum of Art in a totally new light. We're showing Isaac Julien's fascinating video installation, Lina Bo Bardi, A Marvellous Entanglement, in the beautiful new Williams Forum through May 29th. And our major retrospective of American photographer, Judith Joy Ross, is on view in the Dorrance Galleries through August 6th. The multifaceted PMA collection is waiting for you. See major works of South and East Asian art, the always changing contemporary galleries, medieval treasures and Islamic art, European art, the Van Goghs, American art, the Cassattes, decorative arts, and so much more. But importantly, the PMA collection must evolve and change, and we're exploring critical new directions. We just announced the creation of the Bryn Center for African and African Diasporic Art, which will fundamentally expand the PMA collection, and I'm so excited about its future. You might want to eat in the middle of all of this, and you'll probably need a perfect double espresso at some point. In and around the art, we'd love to welcome you to the PMA celebrations, to our parties and events throughout the year, like our recent Black History Month celebration, Artish, Pride, and so much more that lies ahead. And don't forget to shop. Our store features designs by Philadelphia makers, women-led designs, beautiful books on the art and exhibitions, and a universe of creative ideas. But this is just my PMA. What's yours? Come find out. Our doors are wide open.